Like 70 times that nothing.
Oh, falls me for right. Sige. It's a baby.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh.
Which one do you choose?
Oh, of course you want that. She got it. You're going home? Going home? Are you packed up, Labi-Dabi? Don't forget the gnome. Charger?
My charger's in my backpack.
Okay, take everything out. So, it's ready. And there's nothing to get forgotten. Okay? Thank you, Labi-Dabi. Okay guys, Tommy is cleaning up. And tayo ay uuwi na sa Winterland. I'm not ready to be in the winter now. Oh my god. So I'm just putting sunscreen and powder. Nothing special. Yan na ang gagawin natin kasi nasasakit. Okay guys. Alis na tayo. You're checking? Aww.
Grab the garbage.
What?
Grab the garbage.
Okay.
And 2 empty bottles right here. Throw them in the garbage can out here.
Okay.
Okay na tulog ah. Wanna eat? You're waiting for your signal when to go? No need to be perfect, Labi-Dabi. That's just cover it up. Just cover it.
Down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned.
And it begins. Yep, stop. What do you think? Why do you think there's stop traffic? I don't think it's the snow.
Construction up there, I think.
That's mile ahead. Oh shit, sorry. Seems like some areas are not plowed very well. We are almost home. Everybody was complaining that there's a lot of snow. Good. Moment of truth. We have the moment of truth. There's a lot of snow here.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Are you ready?
Mommy,
Yeah?
you watch.
Yeah, clean all the cars, shovel the driveway.
Show the driveway and then
For your
exchange cars.
$49 at the gift shop.
Oh. Okay, oh my god.
What do you think of that?
Can I at least show it?
Oh my god. Oh, he's very nice.
Oh!
Oh, he did that for us.
Oh, man.
Oh, Austin.
Thank you.
Oh, Austin, thank you.
Thank you so much, Austin.
Babe, the car key is in here. Thank you so much, Austin.
Hello?
Look here, babe. Fire it up. Let it warm up.
Oopsies. We're home. Oh, our neighbor is so kind. He did it for us. Melo. I need to get my thing here. Oof. Oof. Ow! My God! Whew. Okay, excuse my car. It's a working car. I have to get my shovel, not shovel, my thing here.
Start your car up, babe.
I know, but it
Huh?
started up for me. Start it up for me. I thought you were gonna press the start.
Mommy, can you move? I'm struggling to hold all this.
Okay. Go.
Let me do it.
Okay. Do it. Babe, give me my key. Babe,
I can't find the shovel.
give me my key. I think it's in the back of the...
I have it right here. Oh, here it is.
How to start it? Zoe, use the... You're gonna scratch my car. Use the brush.
Don't do the plastic on there.
I know.
Scratch it.
I'm using her brush.
You don't need to be like super. Can I see if I can make it extend? No, you cannot.
Sorry, I want to do it. It feels fun to do it. I like it. But I want to do it. Pretty sure your viewers would be happier seeing me do it.
Okay, go take some of the stuff. Oh, then go inside. Hurry up. Go inside.
I told you I wanted to do it.
Okay, go inside. Hurry up.
Let's go.
Super thick. Let me wash my hand, babe. I'm so cold.
Mommy, why didn't you let me do it?
Do you wanna go help? Go.
I kept saying I wanted to, but you didn't let me.
Okay, go help. I just come inside because I am so cold.
Okay, but why didn't you let me?
Because I don't want you to get sick.
It's not that cold for me. It's cold every day. Well, not for me.
Put your head. Something covered.
Oh, okay. I thought you were with the manual.
Melo, are you smelling yours? Huh?
That should say something. Hopefully you like it. I got mostly Zoe or something. I don't like that. Wait, Melo, let me show you.
Where's yours, Melo?
Look! Sweater! This is your sweater!
We gotta get her trim.
Sit down.
Huh?
Stay.
We gotta trim her for the
Oh, sweater! It's your sweater! You're not getting us for Christmas.
What should I give her? Babe, what should I?
We need to bring her
I got this for Zoe. Got her size 3, so she'll grow into it.
That's really big. I told you 2.
Well, she'll grow into it.
She'll grow into it.
So that's why I got 3. She'll grow into
May I
it.
see it?
Her feet are getting big.
I'm gonna show you what I got you.
No, don't do that.
Huh?
I want it to be right.
I know. Oh, look what I got with Zoe, money. Is she here?
Yeah.
Got a boo boo. I got another little boo boo.
Is that real?
Yeah, it's real one.
Oh, you went to Pop Mart? Which Pop Mart did you go?
Orland Park. The mall.
That's why. She has a lot of option because she went to the mall.
What mall did you go to?
Bunny, because she asked for bunny over there.
Yeah.
What mall did you go to?
Orland Mall.
How was it?
That's not bad.
She thinks it's hers.
Was the
Look.
last stores open?
They were still having sales too, so.
Because you go to some of the malls and there's closed down stores. You know?
Yeah.
Was it, they have good occupancy? Echo?
Huh?
There's a lot of occupancy?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
No, there wasn't. No, there was a lot of.
Oh.
I got her this, so she won't rip it.
She's interested.
No, she won't rip it. See?
She's interested. She will.
I don't know if she
She
will.
will.
I don't know.
She will.
I got another one too.
This will last about
An hour.
15 minutes.
I got her this too.
Oh my God, she's looking at me. You gotta put this
I
away.
got her this too. This
Are
one
you gonna get her one
Huh?
right now?
Oh. I'm gonna get
No,
her.
no, 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 no. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Which one do you want to die first?
Okay. Hold both. Hold both. Left or right. If she get left or right. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Babe, 1 minute. Hold this. Take a video. Beside it.
You want it?
Is juicy, that boy.
You want it?
1 minute. Sit down, babe.
Which one do you choose?
Oh, of course she wants that.
She got it! She likes the colorful ones.
I'll get her more later.
Just has this
The heck?
fresh taste.
The tags aren't even ripped yet.
String onion,
Hey, let me take the tag.
regular onion,
Let me take the tag. Sit down, Bello.
juicy,
Hey, did you say thank you?
chewy.
Did you say thank you?
570,000 dongs.
Hey, hey, you got it? You got it? Oh my God.
Keep the change. Keep the change. Sound good, sir. Sound good. See you next time. All right. Come on. Come on.
Milo, are you happy? Huh?
Hoorah! We're getting baptized and moved by the uncles. Let's go. Like candy? Chimoy. Chimoy. Sweet. I don't.
That's not me.
The heck?
What? What? What?
Like a church group there. Church? They had George's?
It's here?
Man, this place is fucking packed.
Why? Oh, we're not gonna eat. Just do. I wish we will do like a. You want a breakfast? Can we drive through instead? Go eat up.
Packed.
In Dunkin' Donut, they had hot meals. I thought something is wrong.
I'm screwed. We'll stop. Wow, man, that place is packed.
It's like a senior living. What was that? Like a field trip.
You ain't getting that out of there.
Where are we going?
Beloit,
North.
Wisconsin.
Oh, we're going Wisconsin?
Just right at the border.
How? Farther than Milwaukee or before Milwaukee?
It's north of Rockford, so it's west of
Oh, okay.
going. Milwaukee's on the lake. It's about 60 miles over.
It's 7:37 in the morning.
No, the clock's off.
Okay, it's 8:28. Yeah. So we're going there. What's our purpose then?
Picking up a mini excavator.
Okay. Oh, yan na guys. Dig, dig, dig. It's dig, dig, dig. Kaya, nanalo si Tabi sa bidig. Kaya,
Put in the
kunin
water
natin.
lines. Put in the water lines and the sewer lines.
Gonna bring it to Kentucky. I'll see you when we get there. So yung nabili po niya na mini backhoe ay dadalhin namin sa Kentucky para na this holiday para na magsimula ng tawag nito para daw sa retaining wall, para na ganon siya ang gagawa instead of renting an equipment, bumili na lang po siya. Yan guys. So, baka doon tayo sa Kentucky nitong holidays. Ay, nako. Okay guys, we're here in the pickup. So, there's a lot of people picking up their equipments too. This is what you got?
Might be that one.
It's a baby.
It's a little baby, but a little dick.
Yeah. It's cool. It has gas on it?
I don't know. They got gas. I think they're gonna help me with the gas.
Okay. Hindi ko kayang lamig sa labas guys. Pasok ako dito. Bahala sila dyan.
Hydraulic boiler.
foot this way. That way. Yep. Yep.
I can push it forward.
No, yeah, push it forward a little bit. That'll be good. Perfect, right there. Yep.
Alright.
Very much.
What are you doing with it?
Huh?
What are you doing with it?
Water lines in, and just a little bit of sewer for a house down in Kentucky. We have a lot down in Kentucky. Paducah.
So this is where we bought that thing, and they have a lot of containers. Do you think the containers has still more in it?
No, they're empty. They sold the containers too.
Oh, what? Wow.
What, you want me to clean up the mess? Yeah? Oh my God. Huh? You want me to clean up the mess? Yeah? Oh my God.